A warm greeting to all viewers. In this detailed and informative lesson, we will thoroughly learn and effectively discover the correct and most efficient way to permanently get rid of those persistent and often intrusive unknown advertisements that frequently appear on the widely used and incredibly famous Google Chrome web browser, ensuring a much smoother and uninterrupted browsing experience for all users. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe button, following and sharing this video with your friends and family. Now let's proceed to open the web browser as we typically do. After that, carefully click on these three distinct dots located at the top right corner. Then gently scroll down a little bit further until you precisely locate the important option clearly labeled Settings, and then click on it. Next, continue to scroll down just a bit more until you successfully find the specific option prominently labeled Site Settings, and then proceed to click on it. After that, this interface will appear, as you can see. Next, you will need to scroll down a little bit further until you are able to find the specific option clearly labeled Intrusive Ads, and then proceed to click on it to continue. Then you simply need to deactivate this particular option by carefully turning it completely off so that its appearance looks exactly like this, as you can clearly see right now. Subsequently, you should proceed to go back from this current screen and then head directly to this specific option. You will then need to scroll down just a little bit further until you're able to locate and find the important option that is precisely labeled Stored Data. Click on it. Here, within this particular section, you will comprehensively find all the various websites that you have previously visited and accessed. So simply proceed to click on this specific and clearly labeled option at the very bottom, which is prominently labeled Delete All Data. Then, with a final confirmation, click on Delete from this current location to finalize the action. The process has been completed successfully, and from now on, you will no longer receive annoying ads. If you have reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains a wide variety of insightful and practical tutorials where you will undoubtedly find many important and beneficial guides that you will truly appreciate and gain significant value from.